Hi, Michelle here with StrawBearie.com, and today I have been to the thrift store and I have drawn out some designs and I am ready to start thrift flipping. So I had a long trip in the car from Texas to Florida, and I will leave a link to that video in the description below for my Paper Maps channel if you're interested in that. And while I was in the car, I decided to draw out my fall line, which is really hilarious because I'm not a designer. I don't do fall lines. I don't have fall lines. I hardly ever sew. My mother is an excellent seamstress, so I sent this to my mom. And I jokingly asked her if she would make my samples. And of course she said no. She's been saying no since I was in high school. But I did draw out my fall line. And so then I went to the thrift store looking for the fabrics and stuff that I knew that I needed to help me with my fall line. And I got all that. So I have a very heavy flannel, more like wool type plaid here. These are inside out right now, but they are a pair of dark wash skinny jeans, kind of more like jeggings. And roll these on the floor. So let's see. A very large red plaid long sleeve shirt. A blue plaid, another blue plaid, a red checked, almost kind of like a gingham type of look, a gray checked, matches the red one. Those are all long sleeve shirts. And then I started thinking, I couldn't find very many flannel shirts. These are all like a lightweight cotton fabric, which I think is great because I live in a warm climate. But I also wanted some of that flannel for that fall vibe, and I wasn't finding it at my thrift store. So then I went to the men's pajama section and struck gold. Each of these was like $1.99. So I've got a purple and black and gray plaid pant. I've got a blue plaid pant. I've got a red plaid pant. Now these aren't quite flannel, I don't think. And these are not either. And this is another blue plaid. But I have some cool plans for each of these things, and I hope that you will journey with me as I dive through this, trying to make my fall line by upcycling and thrifting these clothes. It will probably be more than one video, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on an episode of all the cool things that I'm gonna do with these fabrics.